And you are now watching Trips Miami #family. Okay, so you're in Miami on vacation with the family, or you live here, and you want to go somewhere free. Okay, you done been to all the attractions, and you want to take a little chill day. Don't spend as much money. Consider coming to Glacier's Organic Farm Store. It's a store right on the farm, okay, that you can come to. This is one of my favorite places to go to because it's like a piece of the country in the city. And this is my first favorite part is this walk right here. Okay, it's gravel and it has all these pretty trees. It's a very nice experience. I come here for the experience. Okay, shop, find something to pick up to support your local farmers, unless you want to be eating a bunch of processed foods and chemical filled GMO foods. One day, if we don't support our local farmers marker straight off the farm, okay?
Wee. Side looks like
They have things here like organic foods, natural cleaning products, spices, herbs, wild honey, essential oils, natural soaps, goat milks instead of cow milks. They have wheatgrass and tools for shakes and stuff.
we got our fish pond out here. Look, Boo Boo, this your first time seeing a fish pond. Ooh. Look at the fish pond. Oh. Look at the fish pond. Can you see the fishies, John? It's so pretty. This is a little area out in the back. Look at a chicken over there. Rooster, something. The chickens over there. Where you can get some good old natural chicken eggs. Big too. And you can really tell the difference between these eggs and the store-bought eggs. Like, you wouldn't even want to eat the store-bought eggs, but I still do. Hey. Hey, John. Hey, baby. Okay, and that's the fish pond.
Yeah, I don't eat feathers, so I do take out the egg whites.
Not so big. The store part, but everywhere else it's a big piece of land, so I just enjoy the experience just coming here. It's a chicken over there in the corner cleaning himself. It's right there. You see him moving? This is the fish pond. I like the fish pond. I enjoy the walk back here to the fish pond, and just so organic, just a piece of nature in the city. And this is the back of the store. We're gonna go back in. Hey, John. Hey, Boo. January 26, 2019, Saturday. Raw and plant-based cuisine class and buffet New Year's raw solution. January 26, 2019. So if you watch this video before then and you're in Miami area, come check them out. Bye-bye. Peace. Shalom.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff with the bell. And I want to invite you to go to my Marriage Today playlist right here on this channel for a sneak peek at my wedding video. It was the old me. I'm a new and improved woman today. 2 Corinthians 5:17 says, therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come. The old has gone. The new is here. So this is the new me. That was the old me. Yes, has passed away. Thank you, and I'll see you next video.